Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in another video I'm gonna show you how to integrate PrimeNG to your existing Angular project. So this is the PDFun project that I created at Hobbies. Check out the pdfun.xyz. So this is the service that have to resize PDF file. So this is only the first service. So I will add more feature that related to PDF later. And this is completely open source. You can check out the source code here, and you can like start a project or sponsor the project or add the feature request that you would like to have. I'm happy to uh, have a look at it. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to install the PrimeNG package. Um, so you can install by yan add PrimeNG, and usually you will have the Prime icon into your project, something like this. And in the um, packet adjacent, you will find the thing that related to the PrimeNG and Prime icon. Yeah. Okay. And after that, you need to update your style to add the PrimeNG style sheet. So I'm using Tailwind. It's a new feature. You may notice that you have to use layers setters to integrate PrimeNG and Tailwind together. So basically, layers it define the rules for setters. So the rule will cascade and take the precedent from the left to the right. So the styling will apply from the top down. So the base will apply first, and then the utility apply later, and PrimeNG is the last one. So the style PrimeNG will take over the others. And PrimeNG also provide the theme for Tailwind. For example, Tailwind Light. So you can import it into your style, and you get the theme for your project that utilize PrimeNG and Tailwind. And after that, you will have everything ready to utilize the PrimeNG components. So in this one, I'm going to utilize the FileUpload. So if you read the document, you will see that there are a few examples here. There are basics and the template, which you can customize it, or the advanced, where they have different options like choose to upload a file, and then you can upload or cancel the file. So today I'm gonna replace the existing from the plain HTML with the advanced option from PrimeNG. I can just copy the code from the basic here. Okay, copy the code. And in order to use it, you need to import the FileUpload module. Okay, just copy and paste it. Yeah. You may note that the PTOS here is a message where you want to show notification when some action is being done. Yeah, usually I don't have to do this, but somehow this code doesn't recognize the component and import it automatically for me, but it's fine. And then I will need to provide the message service from the PrimeNG API. Yeah. And after that, I need to inject the service into the component. So you don't have to do this step. So this one just an extra nice touch when it show you the notification when something being done. And after that, I need to make some modification. So this one is basic mode. That's why you see that only the choose button show up. So if I update the advanced mode, Okay, advanced. And then if I save it, it will have extra option: choose, upload and cancel. And the default option is if you pass the link to the URL, and after you upload it, it will send it to this link. But in this case, what I need to do is to have a custom function where I can upload the PDF file to cloud storage rather than another endpoint. So I need to remove the URL. Don't need this one, and accept is, so I only allow the file to be PDF, and the max file size is 10 megabyte. So you might notice that in the existing logic, I checked for the um, the file size here. So this is the custom logic to transfer the byte to megabyte, and then have a custom logic here to check if the file size exceeds the limit of 10 megabyte, and then I'm gonna show an error message. But using the FileUpload component from PrimeNG, all I need to do is just set the max file size to I think 1 million. Is this 1 megabyte? So yeah, okay, so 10 megabyte, and then if I upload something that over, it will show an error rather than me check it manually, because I need to have the custom handler. So I need to have this custom upload property, and have upload handler, which is the function to handle logic manually. So I need to create this function event custom file. I think the type of this one is something, but let's check the type. You will see it different here. So the type is file upload handler event. Yep, event. And I need to import the type from the PrimeNG file upload. Okay. So if I console log this one, okay, and then let's open the inspection. Okay, let's show it at the bottom. Then after let's test the limit first. Yeah. So because I have the PDF file, it's bigger than 10 megabytes, so it shows an error, which is nice. Then if I upload something different, you can see that the size is a bit small, but it's okay. Then if I upload it, you will see that in the console log it shows 1. It worked correctly. Let's cancel it. Okay, so I think we have everything ready. Now we need to refactor the existing logic. Okay, let's copy this one. Okay, so this is the logic that handle the upload file. So let's see, file equal to event file 0. Okay. Oh, I think I have an extra. Okay, extra bracket. Okay. So it looks like everything works without any error. But let's check the last time. Okay. Oh, remember that we have the message service here. Let's add a notification into it. Message service. Add. Let's check the type. Message type right here. So we have the severity, summary, and detail. Few options that you can add into the message, but let's just do the simple one. Severity, widget info, and then the summary files uploaded. Yeah, I think it should work. Okay, let's test it out. So we have the PDF one right here. Let's upload it. So yeah, you can see that file uploaded message right here, and then it's okay. So after it process, you will see the link right here to download the file that you just uploaded. So the file size 133 kilobyte, which is not much, but let's see. Okay, let me download it. So we have resized from 133 kilobyte to 91 kilobyte, which is okay, good, yeah. And the quality is still readable. It's good to me actually. Cool. So that is the process of replacing my simple plain uploading feature to utilize PrimeNG, and that's everything that I need for today. It does make it look a bit better. There are lots of customization that I need to do, but that's not something I need to worry at the moment. It does look better. Okay. So if you have any request for this PDF service, just create a pull request or just message me on Twitter or LinkedIn. I'm happy to discuss. So see you in another video. Thank you.